Hi everyone, this is a simple demonstration of how easy it is to use alcohol ink. Use your creativity, make something beautiful. I've used just two colors, Purple Twilight and that's Meadow. And let's see how that's going to turn out. Enjoy. I want to create a soft blend, so I'm careful about not letting the colors mix too much. Although alcohol inks are really fun to work with, and I've grown to absolutely love working with this medium, it can also be very challenging because the inks sometimes have a mind of their own. But in the end, it's your creativity and how you move the inks about that, makes every piece of art just that much better. There's no right or wrong, really. It's just your creativity, a little bit of ink, and, just the joy of playing with it. And there you have a nice artwork. Always remember, when trying to blow out the ink, never hold the air directly above the ink, because then it's going to splash all over your paper. So what I do is I generally angle the blower at the sides, you see, and then I, depending on where I want the ink to flow and how far out, I just aim the air diagonally. Okay, just a little more blending. And that's how you get a nice soft edge. And that's what I'm looking to achieve in this particular piece. I want it to look petal soft and delicate. And I'm nearly done with the petals. Just a little one right there. I want a little soft edge right about there. And it's nearly ready. Okay, let's see how that looks so far. Now you can enhance these blooms as you like. Just use your imagination. Here's what I'm going to do with a Sharpie. Just a few quick strokes and I'm nearly done. Ready for my signature. Hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and do leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Happy painting!